If I told you that you can start earning online, without experience, without skills, just by using AI tools, would you believe me? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 powerful AI tools that beginners are using right now to make money online. Most people never start earning online because they don't have skills. They don't know where to begin. But AI has changed everything. The first tool is ChatGPT. This tool can write content, generate ideas, create script, and help you complete tasks in minutes. It's basically like having a personal assistant. For example, you can offer services on Fiverr like Instagram captions, blog writing, and ChatGPT helps you create the content quickly. The second tool is Canva. This tool makes designing very easy, even for beginners. You can create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, business flyers, and sell these designs to clients. The third tool is CapCut. Right now, video editing is one of the highest demand skills, and businesses pay editors for this work. You can create Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts. Now here's the most important thing. You don't need to be an expert. Simple strategy. Step 1, use AI to create the work. Step 2, post your service on Fiverr or social media. Step 3, get clients and deliver. Many people think earning online is difficult. But the truth is, there has never been a better time than now. Opportunities are everywhere. The only difference is action. If you are a beginner, follow this. Day 1, learn ChatGPT basics. Day 2, practice Canva designs. Day 3, create your Fiverr account. That's it. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to start earning from zero, subscribe to the channel and comment AI below. Your future income can start with one decision today.